Hello and welcome back to our creative space, crafting space. Today we are diving into the world of and colorful world of button crafts. Buttons are small, simple, and often overlooked, but with just a little creativity, they can be transformed into stunning home decor, accessories, ornaments, and even personalized gift. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced craft, this video will inspire you with easy, budget friendly, and beautiful cotton craft ideas. So grab your collection of buttons and needles, some glue, and let's get started. Before we begin, let's quickly talk about the materials you will need. Of course, the main stars are the buttons. You can use old buttons from clothing, buy colorful packs from craft store, or even recycle them from thrift shop. Buttons come in many shapes: round, squares, heart shaped, and the texture like wooden, metallic, or plastic. Along with buttons, you might need a strong craft glue or a hot glue gun, a pair of scissors, felt or fabric bases, needle and thread if you enjoy sewing, cardboard messengers, or canvases for decoration. These simple supplies will open candles crafting possibilities. Let's start with easy button crafts, perfect for beginners and children. Button bookmarks. Simply glue buttons onto paper clips to craft colorful fun bookmarks. Button magnets. Attach small magnets to the back of large button for a cute fridge decoration. You can make tree ornaments and also make button greeting cards. Use button as flowers, balloons, or eyes to decorate homemade cards. Now let's talk about button jewelry. String a few buttons together and make a unique necklace, bracelet, or earrings. These projects are quick, simple, and a great way to dispose old buttons instead of throwing them away. Now let's move on to button art. With just a handful of buttons and a canvas, you can creating a stunning wall decoration. Try a button tree. Use a marker to draw a tree trunk and then glue colorful button as leaves. Make a button heart. Perfect for girls. Simple, arrange red, pink, or multicolored button into a heart shape. Create seasonal decor, for example, snowmen, Christmas trees, or flowers. This can be hung as seasonal wall art or used as ornaments. The best part, each design is unique because on two button arrangements look the same. It's truly a personal piece of art. Because no two buttons arrangement looks the same. It's truly a personal piece of art. It's the creativity of each person, another person. But crafts are not just about decoration, they can be functional too. Family. Button crafts are also family friendly. Kids love working with colorful buttons, and it's a great way to develop their fine motor skills. Teach kids to sort buttons by size and color. Create simple animals like butterflies or fish using glued buttons. Make button picture frames together as a fun family activity. And because button crafts are safe and low cost, they are perfect for school projects, family crafts nights, or even holiday activities. So, let's talk about if you love crafting, why not turn your passion into a small business? Handmade button crafts are popular on estate crafts fair and local markets. Items like button jewelry, framed button art, and decorative accessories make beautiful gifts with the right presentation and a touch of creativity. Button craft can bring both joy and income. And that's the magic of button crafts. Simple items turning into creative treasures for from bookmarks to home decor, jewelry to art, buttons open up endless possibility for everyone. Whether you are crafting for fun, for your kids, or even for business, buttons will never go out of style. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends who love crafting. Drop a